Yes, my peeps, it there. Welcome back to Lumberjack Kitchen. The recipe for today is some cabbage dumpling. Cabbage fried dumpling. So I'm going to show you how me prepare my cabbage fried dumpling. This recipe I got delicious, man. So I'm going to show you how I steam the cabbage first and how I deal with my cabbage fried dumpling, right? So like. Alright, see flour there, we have some cornmeal flour, baking powder, we have a little sugar. Right? And see, you know, season, tomatoes, garlic, sweet pepper, now the onion, cock soup, and see we have butter here and see cabbage here. So I'll cut them together now and spice up it and thing and steam the cabbage first. So I'll show you how I prepare my cabbage dumpling. This recipe I got nice, man, delicious. Yeah, my peeps, see what I go on there? See, you don't need up there. So you don't know, say, that don't really long about, say, oh, 6 minutes that, you know, say, well mild and soft, you know? Yeah, man. Then buying a cabbage fried dumpling recipe, cabbage fried dumplings. That got delicious, man. So these all of my ingredients I'm going to be using my cabbage fried dumpling. I make this go and steam now, right? Yeah. Yeah, my peeps, so I go on them. I don't know what to eat, you see? I just see natural pot cover water I spring off night. Remember, man, cabbage fried dumpling. This recipe I got nice, you know. So I go and steam right out. Right? Yeah, man. Remember, you know, cabbage fried dumpling. Recipe I got nice, delicious. Yeah, my peeps, you see? I'm gonna put no water in it now because lock the pot cover so right now. See the finishing product there. Yeah, man, remember, you know, cabbage fried dumpling. This is a finishing product, right? Yeah, man. Remember, Jamaican cooking at lumberjack, you know. The recipe I got nice, man. Cabbage fried dumpling. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Here my peas, see there? Cabbage dumpling. Yes, my peeps, so I go on there. Yeah, man, remember cabbage fried dumpling, you know. Make it how you like it. Me, I make it how me want it, right? Yeah. This a recipe I got nice. Remember cabbage dumpling, you know. Yeah, man, cabbage fried dumpling. This is yours, a dumpling I got nice. Delicious. Yes, my peeps, see there? Cabbage dumpling. Yeah, man. The recipe is nice, man. I say Jamaican cooking lumberjack. Cabbage fried dumpling.